Sophistication and calm. Water element. Welcome to our so lovely water element. And the water element was designed by Khun Joefee Tsao. Sophistication and calm is the concept of our water element. And in our secret closet, you can see the skyline. And the dark tones enhances the great view of Bangkok. He also offers the king-size bed with a special design of Christian Lacroix. According to the Thai mythology, Nagar is the gatekeeper of the underworld and the evil, and also associated with lakes, sea, and rivers.